Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about CloudWatch alarm, how to create CloudWatch alarm using Terraform. So over the AWS, how to create alarms and all right. I have already created a code, so kindly be focused on my code, okay? And all the structure and all right, I have created as per the scenario. How to create AWS CloudWatch alarm using SNS, how to get alarm, alarm if alarm breached exactly our threshold, so we can get the alarm. It is completely looks like a production. So let me give you little uh, all these things, right? Who doesn't have experience, right? Little less, I would say. So basically, this is a CloudWatch console. If you are going to create manually, so what we need to, first of all, we need to select matrix. Okay. So here it is we are going to create EC2 matrix. Okay, per instance, and make sure that this is our instance ID and this is our metric, which it could be similar, right? If you are going to write Terraform code, so it could be similar. So metric name and CPU utilization, I would say. What could be the metric name? Metric name is custom, which is defined by the AWS itself. Okay. So this is the thing I have to show you. Okay, we need to select, let's suppose it's a CPU utilization because this server is running in my right now. I will show you. Okay. Select the metric. And what we need to, that is the instance ID. Average statics is average, okay, sum and all. Period is 5 minutes, okay. So I will not take it 5 minutes period. Condition is greater than equal less than and all, right? Okay. So this is the thing, right? Additional configuration, what is the data point, treat, missing treat and date, and go to the next. 50 I can make it. Go to the next and alarm state, select the SNS and all, right. Okay, this is the overview. We are going to create this using the Terraform. SNS I have already created manually a SNS, right? This is just for sending alarm. So you need to create a topic. So it's just this is the topic we need to create. It is not nothing like that. This is first in first out and name and nothing and just create, okay. And apart from that, subscription. So this is subscription I need to create. Just your name. What is your topic name? Topic name already created. And select the pool. I think I can say email, and you can edit your custom emails. Okay. So that is the thing. So we are using, this is I created custom, but CloudWatch alarm I'm going to create. So as per the AWS, this is the our resource name. That is the default I have created. I have added where dot enabled is equal to true. Basically, it's a trinary operations. It will be usual. If it is true, so it will create one resource. If false, that is zero. Okay, so that is already I have added in the variable sections. This is true. So true will create a one resource. Okay, this is trinary. Okay, based on the operator. Alarm name. What we have to do the name. It's a lower. Lower is a function and format is also a function, right? Lower is lower type, not capital, I would say. The format is a function, hyphen percentile as where dot environment, it will come here, and where dot name, it will come here, okay. So variables is defined as per the required, all these variables, okay, name, environment, and managed by. And here I have defined as per the production these values. And if you are not able to understand, so just go my Terraform AWS Terraform playlist. These things, provider, variables, version. So I have created initially 2 3 videos about that. Okay, so you can go through, and it will give you as a production knowledge. Okay, so I have answered CPU alarm comparison operator. Basically, when our alarm will trigger, so that is agar. So if I make it greater than, so I will not give you the format because my server is having a 1%. So I can make it 50% if my load is CPU utilization less than 50%. So we can get a email. Okay. And evaluation period is one type, right? Metric name, I showed you CPU. Okay, that is here. It's CPU utilization. Namespace, make sure AWS EC2. If you are going to create EKS, so AWS/EKS. If you are creating any other resource, so namespace you should be like this, right? And period, how I mean things will count. Period will be in the second, so I make it 30 second. Okay. Statics is the average. I know 36-second average, right? And threshold is 50%, and I used less than comparison. So my EC2 CPU utilization always less than. This is my instance ID. It's a alarm action. Alarm action. What would need to be performed? This this is SNS topic. And treat missing data as missing. This is if you are not getting any, I would say data, so it will count calculate as missing, right? Okay. And this is the variable name environment mostly I have given. And this is the metric name, CPU utilization, namespace AWS/EC2, period is 30 second, statics average, threshold 50%, alarm action, this is my SNS. Okay. And this is action enabled. Okay. This is okay if our server will become healthy. I mean, there is no alarm in alarm state, so it will send an email. And this is the data points. It's a one. And tags is this dimension. Where dot dimension? Dimension is which type of the resource you are going to put. So I am going to put EC2 resources. Okay, this is the EC2 resources, and I will tell you here itself. Okay, EC2. This is my data is running, and this is instance ID. Okay, this is the instance ID. So that is running. So let's start to the deployment. That is this, right? Okay. And I will tell you one more thing. Basically, what we reach lower function, format function, and CloudWatch alarms, and we need to data. So if you want to print your which account this code is going to execute, so it will print account ID. Okay, I will show you. So let's start. Terraform init. Terraform init is completed. Okay. And we are going to create Terraform FMT. I'm just going to execute just as per the production. Okay. Terraform FMT, it will, I mean, your identification, any spacing and all these things. Okay. Terraform validate. If you guys think, if you like this video, na kindly do like and subscribe. That would be a great help for me, right? Okay, guys, that is successful. Terraform apply. Terraform plan, right? You can create, but I'm just going to create directly Terraform apply. Hyphen where hyphen file equal to apta dot audio approve. Okay, guys, let me show you the over the AWS console. there is no alarm here, right now. Okay, and there is no in alarm. Okay, guys, so let's wait for a second. It will create. This is here. Let me stop for a moment. Okay, guys, just it was created. Terraform plan. It is a. I said कि this will print account ID, so that is coming here. AWS CloudWatch alarm is creating. Okay, that is the code. If you guys like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. That is a great help for me, right? This is alarm action that is coming directly. Alarm description tab CPU alarm. Let me help you to understand this how this tab is coming. Format where dot environment value. This is tab. Name is CPU alarm, and that is where dot name is coming CPU alarm. So dev hyphen CPU alarm. That is the logic, and that it is all lower cost. Format is a function, and that is a function. Okay, okay, and that is created tags and all right. Let's go to the AWS console. Okay, there is no alarm, and there is nothing created right now. Go to the alarm. This is created. In alarm that is not coming because it is analyzing. I think next 1 minute it will be sent an email to me, right? You can see here nothing is coming. Okay, I will explain one more time. Nothing is coming. It will become soon, right? So let's wait in alarm section. Okay, guys, so that is coming in efficient data, insufficient data. So let's hold for a moment. Okay, guys, insufficient is here is coming. Okay, now it's in alarm. Okay, and we can check in alarm. So that's mean we can get an email. So right now we are going to here. Just do that is coming. Okay, that is coming, and this is this, and threshold we have put 50. Threshold one by one data points we can put. Okay, let me show you one data points. Where is the data point? This is one, and I think I have in variable by default. This is one. Okay, and we can get it alarm and all right. And if you want to change like this alarm to OK state, so we just need to change the parameter threshold, right? I would say I have manually put is less than. If I put greater than, so it automatically become okay. So guys, if you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. It's a great help for me, and I will create more and more useful videos as per the Terraform over the AWS clouds and all right. Thank you. Thanks for watching.